Jewish memory is one of our most valued possessions, and the study of cantorial history and the evolution of Jewish music in particular was one of the highlights of my cantorial training. As a cantor, it is important to know the way that the role of the cantor has developed over time. This next piece is called Der alte Chazn and offers us a glimpse into the mind of a cantor at the end of his career, looking back over his life as the Chazn of his shtetl. As we hear his story, we weave back and forth between his present and his past, fond memories of chanting prayers at the synagogue, and I hope that someday I too will be able to look back at a life well lived when I too am an alte Chazn.
Es ist Erev Yom Kippur in Shtetl. Der Chazn vertreuet gebeugen, versunken in Tieferei alles. O Gott, bist am Meuchel, alleine uns. Nicht scheint die Keuches die die Stimme scheint nicht so schön. Der Stolz dir gefällt, dieselbe. Die Tränen noch voll mit Gewinn. Es tragt sich der Chazn, der Alte. Bald werden vergehen Jomim Noraim. Es wird kommen a Winter, a Besen. Und es wird nehmen nicht mehr die Gabayim. Alter Schlecheinu, Leisiknu, Kichlu. Shoimrei, shoimrei, shoimrei Shabbos, bekorei oidek Shabbos, yismechu v'malechu secha. Shoimrei, shoimrei, shoimrei Shabbos, bekorei oidek Shabbos, amen kadashei shaveh, kulam yismechu Shabbos, yismechu v'yisangu, mitovecha Shabbos. In Mariv die Sonne ist vergangen, auf den Städten es regt sich eine Treue. Es haben sich still gesungen. Es singt schon der Chazn, der Greue.